Hello all, welcome to your channel at Dr. Jasmine, and we are at program number 11 today for the CAAPID program application requirements, and today's school is New York University College of Dentistry. A legal disclaimer, this video is for informational purposes only. We do our best to get information from the CAAPID website and also from the school website, but we sincerely request you to please always visit the CAAPID website and the school website for details. If you have any questions, please leave us comments in the comment section below. So today's program is New York University College of Dentistry. It's located in New York, New York. The program offers a DDS. Website is dental.nyu.edu. The program start date is January 5th, 2026. It's a 28-month program with an estimated program size of 30 to 40. The application opened on March 6, 2025, and the application deadline was June 1, 2025. There is no supplemental application, but there is a supplemental application fees. NBD 1 and 2 both are required. INBDE can be, or rather is accepted instead of the NBD 1 and 2. TOEFL is required with a minimum score of 100. If exam was taken before January 2024, it should be taken again before June 1, 2025 deadline. No requirement for GRE, ADAT, no bench test, and ECE evaluation is accepted. 3 letters of evaluation are accepted. One can be from the dean and the other letters are from the dental school faculty. The school does sponsor an I-20, and citizen and green card holders are welcome to apply. There is an asynchronous video interview called as Kira Talent, and I've actually posted a separate video about what to expect in such kind of interviews. The final candidates will be brought in person by invitation only on the advanced standing candidate day. But please make sure that once you apply to the school, keep an eye on your email, because if you are selected, the school will send you an email with the Kira Talent video interview. Again, please visit the adia.org CAAPID programs, and here is a link to the program finder and the application. If you like our content, please like, share, and subscribe. The YouTube channel is called Dr. Jasmine, and please join us on Facebook for daily updates, facebook.com, Dr. Jasmine DMD. Wish you all the best, and I really hope you get into the school of your dreams. Take care.